about charges, there are two types of charges, positive charge and the negative charge. Now the truth is that the atom makes up every matter, and the atom is made up of series of particles, which is the electron, proton, and the neutron. The proton and the neutron is found at the center of the atom, which is the nucleus of the atom. The proton possesses a positive charge, while the neutron possesses no charge, and the electron possesses a negative charge. Through our course of study, when we talk about charge, we will mean electron with a negative charge. So when we say charge, the back of a man, you should mean electron, negative charge, except otherwise stated. There could be exemption. So there are sometimes you generate a lot of charge in a region, and they are not moving, they are just in the region. You can in a way say they are at rest. And that will lead us to the course of studying static electricity, which is also called electrostatic. But when these charges are generated and they are moving in a certain direction, we call it electricity. How fast they are moving will now lead us to the study called current electricity. And invisible to the eyes, around the charge, you can have things are going on, which will lead us to electric field. So we start with current electricity, electric field, and end with static electricity, which is also known as electrostatic.